Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. So today I'll discuss about Berberine, the herbal supplement, and its effects on blood sugar level. In past, I have discussed how important it is to regulate your blood sugar level and insulin spike when you're trying to lose weight. Today I will talk about this herbal supplement called Berberine and how it helps prevent insulin spike. Berberine is a bioactive compound that can be extracted from several plants. Exact mechanism of berberine on glucose metabolism is under investigation, but it is believed that berberine increases the glucose consumption and/or glucose uptake in absence of insulin in hepatocyte and adipocyte. It may also stimulate glycolysis. In one of the study, in a diet-induced obese rat, berberine reduced the insulin resistance similar to metformin, a popular diabetic medication. In a clinical study, berberine significantly lowered blood glucose level, A1C, triglyceride, and insulin level in patients with type 2 diabetes. So in summary, berberine is a potent hypoglycemic agent with a modest effect on lipid metabolism. If taken before meal, it can prevent the postprandial blood glucose spike and insulin spike, which usually is the root cause of weight gain. Berberine can be an excellent supplement when it added to your weight loss program. Even if you're not planning to lose weight, berberine can help improve your overall glucose metabolism and improve your overall health. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.